from Custom Craft. We're back onto the Apehanger series handlebars. Now today we're actually going for something different. We've had a lot of requests for this, and we're going to tackle a handlebar for a road glide. No better fit for that is actually the Factory 47 signature handlebars. This particular bar comes in a gloss black, so I'm going to show that today, and that's how they come, all wrapped and glad wrapped up. Perfect bar, perfect finish with that. For gloss black, it's impeccable, it's beautiful. It's one thing having a set of bars in chrome, but you can't hide anything with gloss black. And look at it, man, look at the lines, look up here, typical beautiful welds, look at that blemished in, just looks awesome. These bars are designed for road glides from 15 to 22, and the beauty about their range, you can go from a 12-inch to a 14-inch in this bar, and you don't have to change out any gear. You don't have to change out cables, anything. You can just use stock cables, stock wiring, everything else will fit. They're a great looking bar, very popular with the road glide owners. They're a well bent bar, a nicely bent bar, nicely shaped bar. There is not one blemish in that whole taper down. That's not easy to achieve that. There is some skill involved, trust me, to get that type of finish. Beautifully finished. I reckon they've got a bit of attitude towards them. The guys out there on the road glides love these. Like I was saying, the normal road glide bars will get you sitting forward, so you're always going to be in that bent over position, so to speak. So they change, or it changes the way you sit when you got weight on your pressure point on the bottom of your back there. These bars though, they give you that straight up and down on the suspension, and therefore your body's not under stress, and that's awesome. If you're going to be doing a heap of miles on your road glide, you want your ride to be as comfortable as possible. Again, my arms are nicely straight forward in a nice comfortable position. This allows too for easy steering. All right, very easy bar to push, so we get comfort, greater ease in steering, which is pretty important because the glide is a big bike. It is a big bike to tackle, that's for sure. And the easier it is for cornering, there is that greater appreciation for a better ride. To be honest, the bars I had weren't bent correctly, and I always thought it was the way I rode and my style of riding. And I couldn't corner as sharp as other people, and I found it more difficult to do that. However, since I jumped on to Factory 47 bars, the steering is a big difference. Cornering is different, and it makes more fun for your riding. For me it did. I enjoy my riding even more. I mean, I love it to begin with, but now I'm so happy being on the bike, enjoying another element of easy steering, right position, which makes it all worthwhile, you know. All right guys, thank you very much for watching. Thank you for all your support. Obviously subscribe to our YouTube channel just below. We'd love it if you could subscribe. We can do more stuff if we feel more people are getting engaged and watching, that's for sure. We're more than happy to review a lot of products that we've got coming up and lined up. Thank you for being part of the family. Cheers.